Welcome to the Webtool translation tutorial for worldwide views on climate and energy. My name is Hans, and I'm going to give you a short overview and an example of how to use the Webtool's translation capability. The translation capability is there to ensure that the questions and answers can be presented in your local region in a language that everyone understands. But first, these translations will need to be typed in. I'm here to show you how it's done. First of all, you should have received an email that will direct you to the Webtool. It looks something like this. In this email, you should see a link found here. Once you click it, you will open the login page for the Webtool where you can enter your username and password found here and here. Let's do that. Also notice that if you tick off the box below the form fields, the browser you are currently using will remember that you have logged in, so you will not have to do it next time. When you have entered username and password, click on OK to submit your login. You are now logged in to the Webtool and are looking at the start page. Please have a look at these links on the left side of the page. The information link at the top leads to the page you are currently looking at, and the logout link at the bottom will log you out of the Webtool. The questionnaire you need to translate is divided into 6 sections. To translate one of these sections, click one of the links marked with number 1 through 6. I'll go into section 1 to show you how it's done. A menu will pop out when I click the link, and I then click the Translate link. What you see here is a list of the bits of text in section 1 that need translating. The left column, headed with From, shows the text in the language you are translating from, in this case, British English. The right column shows the same texts in the language you are translating to, in this case, Danish. If you've been assigned as translator of multiple languages, you can choose to set the language of either column by clicking the header, like so, and select the language you wish to see the column in. Now currently, no texts have been translated, so all the texts in the right column say Not Translated. Let's change this. You do this by clicking the text you wish to translate, and a window will pop up. The left side is the text you are translating, and the right side is an empty box where you can enter the translation of the text on the left side. Click in this box and you will see a blinking cursor. You are now ready to start typing. I have already entered a little text, but don't worry about that. I'm going to erase that now. I've cheated a bit, so let me just fetch the translation of the text on the left side. When you're done entering the text, click the Save button in the lower left corner of the box. This will close the box and store your translation. When you see the text Updated flash on the screen, your translation has been stored. So I'm going to click Save now. You can now move on to the next bit of text. Should you at any point wish to change the translation you have already entered, you simply click it and edit the text in the right side box as you did when you first created it. Then click Save, like so. You can switch back and forth between any of the 6 sections at any time and do the editing in any order you wish. As long as you remember to click Save when you have edited some text, all your work is safe and sound. This concludes the tutorial on how to enter translations in the Webtool for the worldwide views on climate change. We hope this has been helpful. Happy translating, and thank you for watching.